guys, so today is pantry organization. Our pantry was just not working for us and it wasn't functional. So today I'm taking it to a whole new level and organizing it all just for you guys.
So now I'm just going to take everything out of here, put it on the floor, take the shelves out, and put the new shelving unit in, and hopefully this works. Because this is a rental, we actually can't really take down anything, so we're going to leave these little tracks up and then just put the wood shelving that I took down into the garage, and that way if we move, when we move, whatever, then we will have that to put back in and keep it the way it was. But for our family, those shelves just aren't working, so I need to try something else. So I have this wood shelf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shelves. This has been in our house for a while, and it's made out of crates, and it was originally in my bedroom, but then I redid my closet, and so now it's here. And it fits perfectly, and I'm super excited about that. And if I want, I can still put a shelf back up if I really need it. So I'm gonna try to organize it and put the different things how I like it. I have bought some baskets from Amazon, because you know, I love Amazon. Yeah, let's get to it. These for a laundry room project I was going to be doing, but I just can't decide what I want to do up there. We have a closet upstairs that our laundry is in, like our washer and dryer, and I thought I had a vision for it, but I don't. So that'll be another one that I film when I figure out what I really want to do in there. I just don't want to throw a whole bunch of stuff up in there and it just look not the way I want it, and then have it like that for another 2 years or whatever, and then I never do anything with it. So I'm going to use those baskets that I was originally going to use up there. I'm going to use them in here and utilize them in the shelving unit. Let's hope this works. So there was some mom breaks in there, and I'm covered in dust and flour. But real life, I had to feed my kids. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the curtain back on. I might, just because it is just right there. But I feel like Nola can just grab her oatmeal. Connor can grab a snack. I know where all of my canned goods are, so if I'm running low on something, I can just grab it. This is mostly like our baking stuff, and then just a few like jars of artichokes that wouldn't fit in these shelves, and then our overstock of stuff, and the kids' cereals, tall containers wouldn't go in there, so I did put in this top shelf again. And yeah, and then as we go down, we have the junk food shelf, which is chips and rice cakes, Mr. Noodles Connor loves, and some microwave popcorn. And then we have some like processed stuff like noodles and that kind of stuff. And then I have like sushi rice and a whole like Asian shelf there with like rice noodles and rice paper and stuff. And then at the bottom is baking and overstock stuff. And then I have a little basket for potatoes and onions and stuff like that, which we use weekly. I don't really shop in too much I used to shop like for months at a time, and I just found that things were just getting lost. I was rebuying stuff and everything. So now what I'm doing is just making a meal plan for dinners and buying only what I need and shopping my pantry and my deep freeze and my freezer and my fridge first before I go and buy a whole bunch of stuff, because I find that if you're in the grocery store every single day, it gets expensive and it just makes you overwhelmed because you constantly got to be in the grocery store thinking of what you're going to get, and then you're just grabbing crap that you don't need. So we started this meal plan. So we put it on the fridge. The kids love it. They know exactly what we're having for dinner. And then, yeah, it's just a weekly thing. I shop my house before I actually grocery shop. And we've been saving so much money just doing that. And plus eating at home is a lot healthier. And yeah, and then once a week out of every single month, we do a spending freeze where we don't buy any food at all, like no groceries at all. We just eat whatever we got. So this week was a spending freeze that we just had, and today's Sunday. So we had a spending freeze all week, and I told the kids I wasn't going grocery shopping till all the apples were gone. So if you're bored, hungry, or whatever, have an apple. And miraculously, all the apples are gone. So yeah, my next project will be tidying up this hallway because there's still a whole bunch of junk around here. And then that drawer set that I took out of here, I'm going to clean it, wash it, and I think it's going to go upstairs in Lucas's room because he needs some more drawers for his clothes and stuff. So that's the next project. It never ends. And then I need to get in to my office, and that needs an overhaul. That's a whole other video. So have a fantastic day, guys. I love you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments, if you change anything. Let me know in the comments if you have a closet pantry set up and what you do. And then any tips or tricks for me for like I want to empty like my coconut flour and stuff in there. If you know of like jars or like cool glass things that I could put that in, that would be amazing. You know, I'm always going to Amazon, so I'm always looking for that kind of stuff. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, and have an amazing day, you guys. Bye!